Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we'll talk about how to start writing a novel. For this video, we assume that you have your idea. You have a great idea for a story. You sit down with a blank document open on your computer, and you're ready to write. Where do you start? On this channel, we've spoken about story structure, dialogue, how to end your story, how to kill your characters. But what do you do when you're sitting in front of this blank canvas with nothing but an idea? Now, people have different processes when it comes to their writing. Very early on in this channel, I spoke about the difference between plotters and pantsers. I'll put that video in the description, but basically, a plotter is someone who plans everything in detail before actually starting to write the story. And a pantser just sits down and writes and makes it up as they go along. There is no right or wrong answer. Everyone is different, and you may need to experiment a little to see what works for you. For me, everything starts with the characters. I can go into writing a book with only a vague idea of my settings, and I need to have a reasonable idea of where I want the story to go, but I have to know who my characters are. And so I start my stories by creating detailed character sketches. Names, ages, physical appearance, likes and dislikes, personality, annoying habits, everything I can think of. Not everything in the character sketch makes it into the story, but by knowing who the character is, I can make the story believable. I can make it come alive. Next Thursday, I'll give you some tips that will help you flesh out your characters. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.